By downloading the Mercedes-Benz app, you can actively monitor some of your vehicle's critical parts, including your battery. If a message in the Mercedes-Benz app pops up saying 12-volt battery low, it's usually very easy to fix. It's likely that your battery simply needs charging, rather than there being a fault with it. The message sometimes pops up if you've left the doors open and the lights on for a long period, or if you've not driven the van for a few weeks. The easiest way to recharge your battery is to drive your van for at least 20 to 30 minutes, ideally on a free-flowing road. Then see if the message has disappeared. You can also attach a trickle charger to the mains and connect it to your van's battery, following the instructions in your manual. In most cases, charging your battery will solve the problem and the message will disappear. However, if you do need further help, please contact your Mercedes-Benz dealer.